Welcome back to Adventure Jeep, your home for the best car upgrades, off-road gear, and in-depth automotive reviews. In today's video, we're breaking down the best 6.5-inch car speakers you can buy right now, including top picks like the JVC CSJ620, Bose CH6530, Pyle PL63BL, Pioneer TSF1634R, and the premium Skar Audio TX65. Whether you're upgrading your daily driver or powering up your off-road beast, these speakers deliver clarity, loudness, and serious value. Stay tuned as we go through detailed performance tests, real-world feedback, and honest pros and cons to help you choose the perfect setup for your vehicle. Let's get started. Number 5. Skar Audio TX65 6.5-inch speakers. The Skar Audio TX65 is built for drivers who want premium clarity and richer sound without paying high-end prices, and here at Adventure Jeep, this model quickly stood out as one of the strongest performers in the 6.5-inch category. With 200W peak power, a 1-inch silk dome tweeter, and Skar's signature fiber-reinforced paper cone, the TX65 delivers impressive warmth, accuracy, and detail. Many Amazon reviews highlight how these speakers provide night and day improvement over factory systems, especially in mid-range clarity and treble smoothness. During real-world driving, the TX65 produces full-bodied sound with excellent vocal presence and well-controlled highs. Unlike many budget coaxials, these do not get harsh at loud volumes. Bass is tight, not booming, but definitely stronger than most stock speakers. The build quality also feels premium, with a sturdy basket and high-quality motor structure designed to handle higher power levels if you decide to pair them with an aftermarket amp. Installation may require minor adjustments in some vehicles due to the depth, but once mounted, the TX65 offers a clean, dynamic upgrade for serious music lovers. Number 4. Pioneer TSF1634R 6.5-inch speakers. The Pioneer TSF1634R is a highly dependable 6.5-inch speaker set designed for clean, balanced audio, and during testing at Adventure Jeep, it proved to be one of the best stock replacement speakers for everyday drivers. With 200W max power and Pioneer's well-known acoustic engineering, these speakers offer smooth treble, articulate mid-range, and a more natural sound profile compared to many budget brands. Amazon reviewers frequently mention how these speakers make vocals clearer and reduce distortion at moderate volumes. In real-world use, the TSF1634R shines in clarity rather than brute power. The mica-reinforced cone improves stiffness, delivering tighter mid-bass and better longevity. Treble is clean and non-fatiguing, making these ideal for long highway drives or daily commutes. They are also extremely efficient, meaning they work great even on factory head units without needing an amp. Installation is simple due to the lightweight design and OEM-friendly dimensions. While bass enthusiasts may find the low end modest, the overall sound balance makes this one of the most reliable plug-and-play upgrades you can make. Number 3. Pyle PL63BL 6.5-inch speakers. The Pyle PL63BL 3-way speakers are built for drivers who want vibrant sound and eye-catching style on a budget, and here at Adventure Jeep, we found them to be one of the most value-packed 6.5-inch options. With a 180W RMS/360W peak rating and a blue poly injection cone, these speakers deliver stronger mid-bass and brighter highs than most entry-level factory replacements. Users on Amazon often mention how these instantly make music feel livelier, especially for pop, EDM, and hip-hop. In real road testing, the PL63BL offers surprisingly punchy sound for the price. The 3/4-inch piezo tweeter gives sharp treble, while the mid-range driver maintains clarity even at higher volume. While they won't compete with premium brands, they are loud, energetic, and perfect for budget builds. Installation is also beginner-friendly thanks to the standard depth and universal mounting holes. Keep in mind, these speakers perform best when paired with a head unit that delivers clean power. Bass enthusiasts may still want a sub, but for general listening, the PL63BL is a huge upgrade from dull factory speakers. Number 2. Bose Audio CH6530. The Bose Audio CH6530 is a popular pick for drivers who want loud, full-range sound without spending much, and at Adventure Jeep, we found that these 6.5-inch speakers offer surprising performance for their price. Built with a poly injection cone and 3-way design, the CH6530 delivers brighter highs and punchier mids than most factory setups. Many Amazon buyers praise how much louder these get compared to stock speakers, making them ideal for drivers who enjoy energetic music or want better cabin volume without an amplifier. In real-world testing, the CH6530 provides sharp treble and a noticeably forward mid-range. The added tweeter and mid-range driver help vocals stand out even at higher volumes. The speakers can handle up to 300 watts peak, though they perform best at moderate to high listening levels. Installation is simple thanks to their shallow mounting depth, which fits well in most sedans, trucks, and Jeep doors. While the bass is tighter than expected for the price, these are not bass-focused speakers. They shine more in clarity and loudness rather than low-end power. Number 1. JVC CSJ620. If you're upgrading your vehicle's sound system, the JVC CSJ620 is one of the most reliable and budget-friendly 6.5-inch speakers you can add, and here at Adventure Jeep, we tested how well it performs for daily driving, long road trips, and bass-heavy playlists. Designed with a mica cone woofer and 1-inch PEI tweeter, this model provides noticeably clearer highs and smoother mid-range compared to most factory speakers. Users often highlight how these speakers instantly improve clarity without needing an external amplifier, making them a perfect plug-and-play stock replacement. During real-world use, the CSJ620 delivers clean vocals, crisp treble, and decent punch for light bass. It isn't a subwoofer replacement, but for under-budget builds, the sound improvement is impressive. The hybrid surround design improves durability, especially for Jeep or SUV owners who experience vibration-heavy off-road driving. Many Amazon reviewers also noted how easy the installation is, even beginners can mount these without needing special tools. If you want affordable clarity without distortion, the JVC CSJ620 stands out as a top performer for its price category. Thanks for watching today's breakdown of the best 6.5-inch car speakers here on Adventure Jeep. We reviewed the JVC CSJ620, Bose CH6530, Pyle PL63BL, Pioneer TSF1634R, and the incredible Skar Audio TX65, all solid options depending on your sound preferences and budget. If you enjoyed the reviews or found them helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss more car upgrade guides, Jeep builds, and in-depth product reviews. Drop a comment below telling us which speaker you're going with, or what product you want us to test next. This is Adventure Jeep, signing off. Stay loud, stay adventurous, and we'll see you in the next video.